Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how I like to apply press-ons so they last as long as possible, and throughout the video I'll end up dropping tips that can help you guys hopefully get better and long-lasting results. So first thing I do is I push my cuticles back so there's more space for the press-ons to actually fit on my nail, because for me I have really small nails and any cuticle pusher should work, like those little wooden ones also work good. Sally Hansen cuticle remover and put them on each of my nails. I just use the cuticle pusher again to scrape that away. The next step is I like to cut my cuticles. For me, I do it more for appearance because I have like dry cuticles or just dry skin around my nails, so when I cut it, it just like looks better when I put the press-ons on. Then I have this little nail drill I use to file my nails so the press-ons can stick on better. But if you don't have something like this, just use a regular nail file. That should do the trick. Make sure to file the back of the press-on nail as well, as it creates a better surface for the glue to like stick onto. Also, as part of the nail prep, I use a dehydrator, which will also be linked down below too. This part is really essential in my opinion to remove any moisture off the nail. Now I use this nail primer from Modelones. You can get this on Amazon. I'll link it down below, but I like to apply this on all the press-on nails. Now we are finally applying the nails. I use this nail glue, and the trick with this is to put a good amount of glue on both the press-on and your natural nail. I think something that also kind of causes press-on nails to fall off fast is too much exposure to warm water, especially in the first few days. And it loosens the glue, so I would advise be careful and limit your exposure to that. So I accidentally kind of put too much glue on this one nail, but it's okay, you know what, we all make mistakes. But just be careful on how much glue you use, as you don't want it to leak on your finger. Lastly, I dip this brush into acetone and I'm cleaning off any extra glue or just whatever is left to have like a cleaner appearance. And this is the finished look. I hope this tutorial helped, and if you have any other questions, leave them down below. I'll be happy to answer. If you're wondering how I make these nails and other nails, check out the other videos on my channel. But that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!